Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's tutorial on how to add languages to your Windows 10 keyboard, we'll guide you step by step so you can easily type in different languages and switch between them whenever you need. Let's get started. Step 1. First, go to the search bar at the bottom left of your screen and type in language. Step 2. From the search results, click on the second option that says Edit Language and Keyboard Options. Step 3. This will open the settings page for languages. Now scroll down to find Preferred Languages. Step 4. To add a new language, simply click on the Add a Language button. Step 5. A search box will pop up. Type in the language you want to add, like United Kingdom English or any other language you need. Step 6. Once you've typed it in, a list will appear. Select the language you want from the list. Step 7. After that, click Next to continue. Step 8. You'll now see a list of options. Make sure all the options you need are selected, like Set as Display Language or any features you want for that language. Step 9. Click Install to start the installation process. Step 10. Wait for the language to install. Once it's done, you'll see it appear as an installed language in your settings. And that's it. Now you can easily switch between languages on your keyboard. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.